This is a quick getting started video for students taking the Excel certification program. The program walks you through completing the official Microsoft 365 Excel Associate exam. This is required for all students in Econ 2100 and represents 20% of your grade. To get started, log into Blackboard and then find the Organizations tab. From there, you'll choose the GBFI-Excel course. When you first log in, you'll only have access to the introduction and step 1 instructions. As you complete each section, additional information will populate. There are 3 basic steps to completing the program. The first is training, and there are 6 chapters to complete training. You'll download the files associated with each chapter and open them with a local copy of Excel 365. It is important to do this with a locally installed Office 365 as opposed to the online version. Each chapter will have a set of instructions, video walkthroughs, and associated templates. Make sure you include all formulas and edits on the document, save it, and then upload it back to Blackboard. You don't need to wait to start the next chapter while it's being graded, but you need to have all chapters in and graded before going to step 2. Step 2 are your practice exams. The first time you go into step 2, you'll be redirected to our vendor page, which is Gmetrics, and you'll need to create an ID and password. You must pass 1 test in training mode and 1 in testing mode to complete step 2. If you want more reps, there are 2 tests, but you only need to pass 1 each in training and testing. Passing for practice exams, just like the official exam, is a 700 out of 1,000. After step 2 is graded, you'll be able to schedule your official 365 exam. Main campus students must take the exam in person at the GBFI Financial Center, while WP Online students will take the exam online with a proctor. WP Online students are responsible for any technical issues which arise. A more detailed walkthrough and documentation are available at the bottom of the page. Just a few final notes. The program overall is worth 20%, but you can earn partial credit based on the weights of each step. So you get 5% for completing step 1, 5% for completing step 2, and 10% for passing the official exam. Also, the time it takes to complete it will vary greatly depending on your experience with Excel, but a rough estimate would be around 15 hours. Students who struggle typically underestimate the time to completion. Remember, we're here for you. There are some support channels and notes in the bottom. We'll also post live instructor sessions for those at Valley Road. They will not be broadcasted. Good luck.